Good morning, everybody. I had a rough day yesterday. I was determined to get my car fixed. I'm having bad alternators. I'm driving a Ford 500. And you know, Fords, their parts is shitty. But we're not going to go there. I had to replace the alternator. I haven't yet replaced it. It's too cold. You can tell it's winter time. And I got to get up under the car and change it, and it's cold as hell. So this is what I constructed. I have a charger box, okay, that I have hooked up to my motor right now, and the box is actually connected to this box, and I'm closely monitoring it, watching these numbers right here. This is hooked up from the charger box right here. I have this hooked in here right here, and I also have the box, as you can tell, also hooked up on the outside on charging mode, not on jump mode. And I'm watching these numbers right here, and these numbers are pretty consistent, 75, 73, which is pretty good. That means I can drive my car around for a little bit, and I can go where I need to go. Really, so I can go to a mechanic shop. So what I am about to do right now is drive it for a little bit, see what happened, and go from there. And then I get back to you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So when life throws you lemons, what do you do with it? You make tea. So I'm going to go take this alternator back to the shop and drive my car off of a power box and see how it goes. I'll be back soon. Well, YouTubers, I apologize. I'm actually getting picked up by a friend of mine, and they're going to take me to the store to get the alternator. And I have a second video showing me doing the alternator as well. But however, if you find yourself in a situation where your battery has died and the alternator's not working, and you have a jumper box and maybe also a fast charging box, don't know the actual real words for them, but there's one that you use to jump the car, and there's one that you can use to charge the battery when the car is just sitting and the batteries have low voltage. Well, I use a combination of them both to charge my car and jump it while I'm driving at the same time. If you find yourself in a situation where you're short on money, you don't have AAA, and all the other stuff, and you need to get somewhere, well, you can wire your car like that. Actually, I'm going to go outside and show you how I did it more in detail, because that'd be more benefit, of course, right? Can't just tell you what to do, I also have to show you. I'm a visual person. All right, here we go. So as you can see, I'm charging my box outside right now, and that's charging up too as well. So I got all these wires, you know, coming all the way around here. And all right. So I'll make sure you can see that well. As you see, I have everything hooked up here, and this actually came apart, and that's not good. I have everything hooked up here. These two little ones belongs to the mini cable box, and the big one obviously are the jumper cables, and that's hooked up all the way along the other side and here through here and into my box. Yeah, there we go. Let's see how we looking now with the box. 78, 80. That's pretty good for jumping power. Charging up 80, look, 87. You know, so it's doing good. But that's how I did it. I hooked up, you know, these like that, wire all the way around to the front. And there you go. I gotta get this pretty stable. This is not good. There we go. There we go. And that light confirms it's charging, and we are good to go. Well, it's good sharing this with you guys. I hope this was a benefit. Have any questions? shoot me a message in the box. Thank you.